Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today we will continue with plural form of nouns, compound nouns and borrowed nouns. Now let us examine first, the compound noun plurals. Compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s to the principal word in the compound nouns, as in the following examples. Now, commander in chief. Principal word means the main word. Commander in chief, which is the main word? Commander. Commander in chief. So how to make the plural of this compound word? Commanders in chief. We will add s into the main word or the principal word. Commander is the main word, principal word, and therefore we added s to it, and it becomes commanders in chief. Court of mail. Courts of mail. Court is the principal word, and therefore we added yes to courts. Court. It becomes courts. So courts of mail. Son-in-law. In son-in-law, son is the principal word. Therefore we added yes to son and become sons-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Daughter is the principal word or the main word, and therefore we added yes to that. It becomes daughters-in-law. Stepson. Here, son is the principal word, and therefore we added yes to it, and it becomes stepsons. Stepdaughter. Stepdaughter, main principal word is daughter, so we added yes to it. Okay, so it becomes stepdaughters. Maid servant. Maid servants. So servant is the main word or principal word, so we added yes to the servant, so it becomes maid servants. Now, for man servant, plural is formed as men servants. So both the words, man and servant are made as plurals, right? So it becomes men servants. Passerby. Passers-by. Passer is the main word or principal word. Therefore, we added yes to it and becomes passers-by. Looker on. It becomes lookers on. So, looker is the principal or main word. So, we added yes to it. It becomes lookers on. Men of war. It becomes men of war. I hope you understood how to form plural of a compound noun. We say spoonfuls and handfuls because spoonful and handful are regarded as one word. They are not. They are not two words actually. It's spoon and full. It's not the two words. It is one word. Spoonfuls, handfuls. Okay, regarded as one word. Note that the proper nouns Brahman and Musalman are not compound of man. So their plurals are Brahmins and Muslimans. So just S is added to that. Okay. Many nouns taken from foreign languages keep their original plural form, as in the following examples. Now let's examine some words taken from foreign languages. For example, from Latin language. Erratum, errata. Formula, formulae or formulas. Index, indices. Memorandum, memoranda or memorandums. We can keep the original English anglicized plural. Okay. Radius, radii. Terminus, termini or terminuses. Now certain words taken from Greek language. Axis, axis. Parenthesis, parenthesis. Crisis, crisis. Phenomenon, phenomena. Analysis, analysis. Criterion, criteria. Now certain words taken from Italian language. Bandit, banditi or bandits. Now French, from French, words taken from French. For example, madam, madams, madame, madam, or madams, or monsieur. or Messias. Now, words taken from Hebrew: cherub, cherubim, or cherubus, or seraph, seraphim, or seraphs. Now, some nouns have two forms for the plural, each with a somewhat different meaning. See, certain words will have two plurals, and the two plurals will have different, certain, difference will be in the meaning. Let's examine. Now, brother, brothers. See, brothers are sons of the same parent. I mean, brothers and sisters, brothers means sons of the same brother, brothers, sons of the same parent. Brethren, members of a society or a community. Okay. Cloth, clothes, kinds of or piece of cloth. Cloths, garments. Fish, fishes, taken separately. Fish, taken collectively. Genius, geniuses, person of great talent. Genie, spirit. Index, indices, signs used in algebra. Indexes, an alphabetical list at the back of a book indicating places. Pennies, penny, pennies, number of coins. Pence, amount in value. So here in this section we learned that certain words singular will have two plurals, and we have seen these two plurals has different, slightly different meanings. Okay. With this, we conclude this lesson today. Please write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to receive more lessons in our English grammar series. Thank you.